Hi first graders, welcome to Say It, Tap It, Map It with Mrs. Pappin. It's good to see all my friends today. We are going to be working on S blends today. I can identify, blend, and spell words with S blends. The S blends we're going to use today, the first one is SK. First we make the S sound and then the K sound. S-k, sk. Okay, we put both of those together. Next, we're going to use the SL blend, which is S and L, sl, sl. My paper's sticking together. Our next blend is SM, or sm, sm. We have the SN blend, which is sn, sn. We have the SP blend, which is sp, sp. We have the ST blend, which is and we have the SW blend, which is swa, swa. Okay, here we go. Today, we're going to say the word, blend it, and then tap it and map it. So our first word today is snap, snap. Let's blend it. N, a, p, snap. Tap it with me. S, n, a, p, snap. S, n, a, p, snap. All right, friends, now I would like you to map it on your paper on the second page. Okay, you're going to make, as I make the sounds, you're going to write what letter you hear. Okay, here we go. S, n, a, p, snap. Very good. Next, switch out our words here. Here we go. Our next word today is the word skin. We all have skin that covers our body. All right, we're going to blend the sounds and then we're going to tap it and map it. So here we go. S, k, I, n, skin. Skin. Let's tap it with Mrs. Pappin. S, k, I, n, skin. S, k, I, n, skin. Now I'd like you to map it on your paper, putting one sound in each box. Here we go. S, k, I, n, skin. Very good. Our next word. I'm just going to move it over just a little bit. Our next word is swell. Can you say swell with me? Swell. When I hurt my leg, it started to swell. Here we go. We're going to blend our sounds. Here we go. Our first sound is s, w, O. Swell. Swell. All right, let's tap it. S, wa, e, o. Swell. S, wa, e, o. Swell. Now I'd like you to map it, friends. You are going to write each sound that I make in one box. One sound per box. Here we go. S, wa, e, o. Swell. I want you to notice we put 2 L's in the last box. That's because they both make the same sound, so we can put them in one box and make the sound once. All right, here we go. We'll switch our words out again. You're doing a great job. Our next word is spot. I had a spot on my shirt. Let's blend it together. S, p, a, t, spot. Let's tap it. S, p, a, t, spot. S, p, a, t, spot. All right, my friends, now I would like you to map it. Put one sound in each box on your second page. Here we go. S, p, a, t, spot. Did everybody write the word spot, putting one sound in each box? Good job. All right, our next word . Here we go. Let's move it on over. Our next word is snag. I got a snag on my sweater. My sweater had a snag. When I caught it, it got a snag. All right, here we go. We're going to blend the sounds together. Here we go. N, a, g, snag. S, n, a, g, snag. All right, let's tap it with Mrs. Pappin. S, n, a, g, snag. S, n, a, g, snag. I now would like you to write it. Okay, we're going to map it, which means write one sound in each box. Here we go. S, n, a, g, snag. Good job, friends. Okay, our next word is the word slip. Be careful not to slip on the ice. Here we go. Let's blend it together. S, o, I, p, slip. Now let's tap it together. S, o, I, p, slip. S, o, I, slip. Now I would like you to map it. That means writing one sound or for each letter in each box. We're going to map it. Okay? Here we go. S, o, I, p, slip. How are you doing, my friends? Is everybody doing a good job? Okay. I'm going to put this one down here, and Mrs. Pappin's going to grab our next word. Here we go. All right, this word is stiff. My leg was stiff from exercising so much. Stiff. All right, let's blend it together. S, t, I, f, stiff. All right, let's tap it with Mrs. Pappin. S, t, I, f, stiff. S, t, I, f, stiff. Now you're going to map it, my friends. You're going to put one letter in each box. Are you ready to write the sounds that you hear? Here we go. S, t, I, f, stiff. Or I should say one sound in each box. Sometimes there's two sounds in the box because it makes one sound. Sometimes there's two letters in the box because it makes one sound. Here we go again. I'll do it again. Each time I make a sound, you write the letter in a box. S, t, I, f, stiff. How'd you do, my friends? All right, we're going to do one more together today. Okay. And this word is swim. Say swim with me. Swim. Now we're going to blend it together one sound at a time. Here we go. S, w, I, m. Swim. Swim. Now we're going to tap the sounds together. Here we go. S, w, I, m. Swim. S, w, I, m. Swim. All right, now we're ready to map it. We're going to write each sound that we hear in the box. Here we go. The first sound is S, w, I, m. Swim. How'd you do, my friends? All right, I'm so proud of you. Good job working on Say It, Tap It, Map It today. I'm so proud of you. We'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good day. Work hard, friends. Bye-bye.